So first we choose the backdrop. I'll show you code. So disappearing dragon. So now I'm taking code, it will be yeah, this one, night city, if you are taking. Okay, okay, okay. So now disappearing a code. So first one, point to the direction. Suppose point to the directions, and the next one, switch backdrop to switch backdrop to, okay, with night city with the straight. Okay, and second one, sound. So we are taking place sound. Yes, this is the place sound. Okay, so start sound and place sound. So I am taking place sound. Okay, so I am just sorry, Magic Bell, and then we are going to set say. Okay, so what say, I am coming 2 seconds. Now after that, we just use for controls effect. So I am just putting over here, wait 1 second, then looks, go to, yes, go to positions. So this is the go to, and I am taking over here backward or forward. Now it will not take, we are just taking the position. Okay, front and back, random positions. So go to where it's just motions, and go to that one. Okay, now random position we have to type. Then after that we are using control. So repeat loop will be here, and yes, so repeat 5 times, and then after that we are using looks. Maybe a next message show which one is blue one, looks, think. Okay, now so this is the code. You can see that disappearing automatically at plays dragon. So it will work according to code. So if we place over here, this is see next look thing. Okay, now so event and when click. Okay, now it will work on click. Okay, so you can see that execute this code and then work. I am coming, and then automatically disappear that place. So thank you, have a nice day. So how to change the random positions automatically via block coding. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.